Welcome to my channel. Today I will explain about globe. Let's start. Globe. Globe is the spherical model of the Earth. We live on the planet Earth. We are not able to see the Earth as a whole. The Earth is spherical, is flat at the top and bulges at the center. The shape of the Earth is geoid. Lines on the globe. Grid lines are imaginary lines used to help us to find the position or locate the place and calculate distance and time on Earth's surface. Let's have a look on the poles. The top and bottom of the Earth are the poles. The top is the North Pole, the bottom is the South Pole. What is axis? Let's have a look. An imaginary line that goes through Earth's center. The Earth axis passes through North Pole to South Pole. The Earth rotates from west to east on its axis, which is inclined 23.5 degree to the normal plane. What is equator? Let's have a look. The equator is a parallel line that divides the Earth into two equal parts. The equator is the longest of all lines, is also known as the Great Circles. What is hemisphere? Let's see. The equator is the imaginary line that separates the globe into the northern and southern hemispheres. The equator is located at 0 degree latitude. What is latitude? Let's have a look. The lines running east to west parallel to the equator are called lines of latitude. Latitude is measured in degrees. What is longitude? Let's have a look. The imaginary line which runs from North Pole to South Pole are called longitudes or meridians of longitudes. Parallels of latitude. Let's have a look. All parallel circles from equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitude. The equator represents 0 degree latitude. The length of the lines of the latitude decreases from the equator towards the pole due to geoid shape of the Earth. Now coming to poles. There are two poles, North Pole and South Pole. North Pole has 15 degree north, 30 degree north, 45 degree north, 60 degree north, 75 degree north, 90 degree north. And South Pole has 15 degree south, 30 degree south, 45 degree south, 60 degree south, 75 degree south and 90 degree south. Now coming to degrees of latitude. Let's have a look. From the equator, parallel lines are drawn towards the poles at equal intervals. The distance between each parallel line of latitude is 1 degree. Approximately 1 degree equals to 111 degrees. Now coming to important parallels of latitudes. This is equator, which is 0 degree. This is Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degree north. This is Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23 and 5 degrees south. This is Arctic Circle, which is 66.5 degree north. This is Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5 degrees south. Different heat zones of the Earth. In between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, there is torrid zone. In between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer, there is temperate zone. Similarly, in between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle, there is temperate zone. In between North Pole and Arctic Circle, there is frigid zone. Similarly, in between South Pole and Antarctic Circle, there is frigid zone. We can see which countries are coming under torrid zone. We can see which countries are coming under temperate zone. We can see which countries are coming under frigid zone. Now coming to climatic zone of the Earth. Let's have a look. The sun rays do not fall equally on all parts of the Earth based on the amount of heat received from the sun. The lines of latitude help in dividing the Earth into different climate zones. Torrid zone. Let's have a look. The sun's rays fall vertically over this region and the average temperature is very high. Temperate zone. The sun's rays fall slantingly. Moderate temperature prevails in this region. Frigid zone. The sun's rays fall inclined throughout the year. The temperature is very low. Now longitudes. Let's have a look. The imaginary lines drawn vertically connecting the North Pole and the South Pole are called lines of longitude or meridians of longitude. All lines of longitude are semicircles. Prime meridian. You can see that there is prime meridian in the image. The prime meridian 0 degree which passes through Greenwich in England. Lines of longitudes are measured from the center of the Earth. The prime meridian that divides the Earth into the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. There are totally 360 lines of longitude. These lines marched at the poles. It equally divides into 180 degree west and 180 degree east. 0 degree to 180 degree west is called western longitude. 0 degree to 180 degree east is called eastern longitudes. Greenwich meridian. Sun does not shine on all parts of the Earth at the same time. In 1884, scientists divided the world into 24 hours time zones. Greenwich, England was chosen to be the location for universal time because it's located along the prime meridian. There are 24 time zones in the world. The Earth takes 1 day to rotate on its axis. So, in an hour, the Earth rotates 15 degrees. 1 day equals to 24 hours. 1 rotation equals to 360 degree longitudes. 24 hours equals to 360 degree longitudes. 1 hour equals to 15 degree longitudes. 1 degree equals to 4 minutes. Time zones. The local time of a place is fixed on the movement of the sun. When the sun shines exactly overhead, it is midday or 12 noon at that place. Midday occurs at different times at different meridians. The time in each zone is calculated by this universe time, also known as the Greenwich Mean Time GMT. Indian Standard Time IST. India is between 68 degree east and 97 degree east. The Indian Standard Time IST belongs to 82.5 degree east. You can see that I have a globe. You can buy that globe and you can explore the world. You can find all the zones and longitudes and latitudes in this globe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.